Entrepreneurial young designers have embarked upon a charity challenge to transform castaway clothing into kitchen couture. Cleveland College of Art and Design fashion and textile students are working in partnership with Teesside Hospice to upcycle unwanted clothes into bespoke household items to raise much needed funds. The Middlesbrough-based charity, which costs $2.2 million each year to run, will provide the students with bags of denim jeans to be transformed into peg bags and designer aprons.
As a local charity, we're extremely well supported by the people of Teesside, and we often have items that are not saleable in the charity shops, and they can be jeans that have got buttons missing, they can be items of clothing that have got a few marks on or a few tears in, or in fact it can be some of the vintage items that haven't sold anywhere, and we would normally give those to the ragman. And although we get money from the rags, we can get much more money for these handmade items that have been made by the students. The students will be making us aprons out of all the different types of material. There'll be denim aprons and there'll also be peg bags. And the vintage materials that we'll have, they'll be making into the 1950s style small aprons.
Once the items are made, they will be collected and distributed to the 14 Teesside Hospice shops across the region before being labelled with individual tags with the student maker's name and put up for sale.
It's important for the students to have live briefs to give them a good understanding of where they'd be in the future if they wanted to go into the fashion industry, and to give them an understanding of how it is dealing with clients. The students are going to learn how to do pattern cutting skills, how to improve their sewing skills. They're also going to kind of contribute towards a local charity, and they're recycling and reusing garments that otherwise would have been thrown away. We really wanted to get involved in this charity because cancer touches so many of our lives, and so many people that we love are lost to cancer. So we're really keen to get involved in this charity that's touched everybody.
It's great to do a project like this because we're using new materials we haven't used before, which will help adapt our sewing skills. I think it's great to help out the Teesside Hospice as well, because they're a great charity and help a lot of people. My mum worked there as well, and so I know how it helps the people that work there, not just the people they actually help.